This is a rookie mistake. Somebody was very eager to get this done and they've removed this. This does not need to be removed. This should have been left in situ all the way around. It helps keep a nice edge on the furniture. The other thing they've done is they've removed absolutely everything from here. And I really don't have enough of either part to go back. So this would go here, this would go here, to give it a nice edge. Because I don't have enough for 2 chairs, I can't put it all in. I've got to think of another way of doing it. This is just a quick video to show you what not to do. Just leave all of this back. Usually there's a piece of fabric over here. Leave it in place and then just cover over the top. You don't need to remove this part of the chair. And this is why I do these videos for you. It's because I want everybody to have a good result, and not everybody can buy this kind of thing or knows how to use it. So we are going for a modern look. This is a modern reproduction chair. So I'm going to get rid of that and get rid of this, and I will put it together in a way that looks really good.